Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your Arculus wallet. First, open the Arculus app and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For this example, I'll choose Bitcoin. Tap Receive. You'll now see your wallet address and a QR code. Copy the wallet address or keep the QR code ready for scanning. Now, open the Robinhood app. Go to the crypto you want to send. Scroll down and tap Send. Enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Then tap Continue. Paste the wallet address you copied from Arculus or scan the QR code directly. Review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap Submit to complete the transfer. And that's it. That's how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your Arculus wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.